Hi, I'm Matt from Ellis Winters Estate Agents, and we are delighted to offer for sale Mill House in the picturesque village of Wistow, Cambridgeshire. Mill House is a truly magnificent Victorian home which has been meticulously restored and renovated by the current owners. The property offers spacious and versatile accommodation set over 3 floors and measures in excess of 6,000 square feet and includes a self-contained annex. Mill House is brilliantly located only 7 miles north of both the market towns of Huntingdon and St Ives. Huntingdon train station provides frequent trains to London St Pancras. The nationally important A14 and A1 are only a short drive away, with the A14 providing an easy drive to the historic city of Cambridge. If you are interested in arranging a viewing of this beautiful home, please do not hesitate to contact our St Ives team on 01480 388 888. Thank you for watching.